Besides storing and organizing data, Google Sheets can do a number of other things, such as produce mathematical formulas, averages, addition, subtraction, data validation, a number of different functions and features. The one we're going to look at right now is averaging. Now, in order to average, you can produce an average a number of different ways. One is if we go to our function box right here, if I click in there and I hit the equal sign, this is where I would put in a formula. Now I can manually put in a formula, or as you see, Google Sheets has suggested formulas. It's kind of predicting what I want to do. Do I want to add C through I together to come up with a total, or do I want to average them? Now in this case, I want to average them. So if I click average, it comes up, you see the formula here, C1, so this is C1 through I1, and if I hit enter, it'll give me an average of all of those columns. And the average is 86. Another way that we can do this is if we go here to the sum functions, and I can choose the function I want to do. You can see we have sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, and then we get much more complicated as we go down. There are a ton of features in here for data sorting, adding, subtracting, and different type of mathematical formulas. So let's take a look at average. Now here it's asking me for what I want to average. And again, I want to average C1 through I1. So all I did was click and drag. Once I hit enter, it will average all of those things together. Now, if I want to average all of these rows, I have a couple different ways that I can do that. One would be just copy and then paste everywhere I want that to go. Now, what this does is, if you look at the individual formulas here, see it's changed it to C2 to I2. This one has automatically changed it to C3 to I3. So Google Sheets predicts what you're averaging. So you really, it does a lot of the work for you.